Oh, this is so nicely packed. Look at this. So what we got? That's a mini fillet. Bottle of water. Some fries. I got a box meal, so I got a burger, and it came with some fries, a fillet, some popcorn chicken, some creamy mash, and a little bit of sweet chili. So a little bit of sweet chili sauce.
And I'm here with just my sweet chili wrap.
Hey, but mister, you're in the middle of a pretty serious challenge right now. Like, diets are hard. Don't you give up. All right.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
You know, I actually got you something.
You got me something?
Yeah.
You got me something?
That's for you.
Thank you. I almost feel bad now, but I got you this.
An oxygen daisy.
Yeah, just in case, just in case it's the McDonald's wrap is so fatty that your windpipe closes up. You know.
I'm about to eat this, chat.
Okie dokie.
Unwrap this.
Oh, this looks nice.
Okay. It's very wrapped.
Wow, that's good.
No.
Oh.
I'm only eating lettuce right now, but
Oh, this is so good. Chicken's very spicy. I love it.
Spicy chicken. I mean, it's pretty good, but like,
Oh, wow. This was needed. This was needed.